right, so special thanks to this company for sending me their globe pendant light. Now, none of these addresses are, of course, mine, but our item number here is HB01PL-GD, and that's what it would look like, essentially. Nothing really around it. Hopefully it's not broken. Model number again, same company name. Again, thanks to them for sending it to me. Nothing. So, let's open this up and see what we have. So, what do we got? What do we got? We got more foam with tape. All right. My favorite. That's it for that box. And then just two little pieces to cut here. 1, 2. There we go. All right. So it looks like in this part is everything you need for wiring it in with your screws and everything. And it looks like a assembly and installation instructions. So everything that I won't show you in this video, since I'm just doing an unboxing, it has detailed information on how you would install it. There's those. Now, what do we have next? So this seems like the main part. You can see a 60 watt max. That's where your bulb would go. Basically, this part would get the bulb, which would attach into this, and then all of these would attach into this to then attach into this. So that's what this long cable's for. So you can see we've got our plate, little ground screw and everything, and basically you'd run this black and white cable all the way through this pipe through all of these cables. So you can kind of see there, those three kind of all screw into one another to make it all extend down to this. And then lastly is our giant globe glass. So like I said, you'd take this part, put into here, put your bulb in, run the black and white wire through all of these, all the way up to this, and into here where it wires into your ceiling. All right, so that should do it for this globe pendant light unboxing. Again, thanks to the company for sending it to me, and I hope you guys liked the video. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.